Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. Maybe you blocked someone by mistake, or you've changed your mind and want to reconnect. Whatever the reason, unblocking is just as easy as blocking. Let's jump right in. Open LinkedIn on your computer and log in. Click on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top right of the page. Go to Settings and Privacy. On the left side menu, click on Visibility. Scroll down until you see the section called Blocking and Hiding. Click on Blocked Contacts. You'll see a list of everyone you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and click the Unblock button next to their name. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm. Click Unblock again to finalize it. That person can now see your profile and interact with you again. Open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile photo in the top left corner to open your profile. Tap the Settings icon. It looks like a gear and is usually at the top right. Go to Visibility, tap on Blocking and Hiding, then tap Blocked Contacts. Find the person you want to unblock from the list. Tap Unblock next to their name and confirm. Done. They are now unblocked. Here's something LinkedIn is a little strict about. Once you unblock someone, you have to wait 48 hours before you can block them again. So make sure you really want to unblock them before you do it, because you won't be able to immediately reblock if you change your mind. Once you've unblocked someone, if you want to reconnect with them professionally, just visit their profile and send them a new connection request. You can also send them a message if their settings allow it. Everything starts fresh after an unblock, so treat it like a new connection. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. And that's it. That's how you unblock someone on LinkedIn in just a few taps or clicks. Simple and straightforward. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. See you in the next one.